We know what you're thinking. Pumpkin-flavored coffee in January? Yes. We say boycott Big Pumpkin and enjoy the drink year-round. Pause the video, go scoop these ingredients from your kitchen, and make it with us. You'll need 1 cup of Black Rifle Basic Batch, 1.5 ounces of Rumchata, half an ounce of half and half, whipped cream, and caramel drizzle. Get your mug and pour in 8 ounces of the appropriately named Basic Batch. Add your Rumchata and half. Stir slowly and top with whipped cream and warmed caramel drizzle. Bonus points if you can make it look better than my whipped cream failure. Enjoy pumpkin drinks year-round with this killer recipe. Let us know what you want to see next in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe.